In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to create artwork using two images and your favorite quote. And in this tutorial, you will learn how to create clipping masks and how to merge layers. So we're going to get started. I'm going to go and I'm going to create a new file. And I'm going to choose my letter size paper. For the image that I'm using today, it's in landscape mode, so I'm going to choose the landscape there. I'm going to click Create. Okay, and then from here I'm going to open up my first image that I'm going to be working with today. Okay, so I'm going to be using this picture of the Eiffel Tower. So I'm going to click Open, and I'm going to move it over into my new document. And there it is, and I'm going to resize it, Command T, shortcut on the keyboard, and I'm just going to make it fit my canvas. Like so. Okay, and then I'm going to place the image. So now I'm going to go and open up a new file. So I'm going to go to File, Open, and I'm going to choose I've chosen this bokeh effect for my writing. Okay, and for now I'm going to keep it in this separate tab. And what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to unlock the layer, and now I'm going to use the type tool to type in my quote. Okay, so the font that I'm using is not a very fancy font. It's more of a bold font because we want to be able to make out part of the image. So I'm going to type in my quote here. Be the best you. Okay, you can choose whatever quote that you want. And from here, I'm going to reorder my layers. So I'm just going to place the text and I'm going to reorder the layers. This will be the hardest part of the tutorial. Okay, so from here, I'm going to actually click on the layer that has my image, and then I'm going to hold the Command key down, and I'm going to click on the thumbnail of the type layer. Okay, so you should be able to see the text through the image. And then the last step is that you're going to create the clipping mask. So you're going to click down here and watch what happens. There you go. So if you're not totally keen on how your text is placed within the image, you can unlock the link here that connects the mask to the image, click on the image, and then reposition the image so that you get the best view for your font. The last step here is we're going to merge our layers. So you're going to hold the Shift key down like that, and then go down to where it says Merge Layers. You may have to rasterize your type layer. And that is the case. You do have to rasterize your type and then click Merge Layers, because now we're going to be moving this into our other image and we want to make sure it all goes together like so. Okay, and then Command T, you can resize it. But as you can see, you can get any sort of image into your text. This also forms the basis for any double exposure photography you may have seen in the past. So once you're done this, save it as a JPEG, File, Save As. We're going to call this Quote, and we're going to save this as a JPEG, and you can save it to the Dropbox. Thanks for watching.